If one of your Moodle courses looks different, it's probably because the theme has been changed to Boost Mode by your professor. It is also a setting you can use if you want all your courses to look this way. One of the best features gained from Boost Mode is the navigation sidebar. It allows you to jump to a particular week or even a particular assignment. If you want less clutter, you can collapse weeks within the sidebar, and you can do the same thing on the course page itself. You also have the option to close out of both of the sidebars. Other than these features, it's still the same Moodle that you already know. At the top of the page, you'll find links to your grades, the participants in your course, as well as the link to go back to the main course page. If you like these added features of Boost Mode, you can enable it across all your courses by clicking on the profile image in the top right, then clicking Preferences. Next, click on Edit Profile, and scroll down to Preferred Theme. Click the drop-down and change it to Boost. You should now see the Boost theme in all of your courses. Thanks for watching.